Hey, Dan Passarelli here. One question that I get asked a lot is trading a zero-sum game? Now, by that, I mean, if I make a trade and buy some calls from a market maker, for example, can both of us make money? So the answer is maybe not as intuitive as you might think. It's kind of straightforward when you think about it, but let's talk. So let's take a look here at this option chain of SPY. So let's say that maybe I decide to buy these calls, these 472 calls that have 11 days until expiration. So who do I buy them from? Well, I buy them from a market maker, right? So the market maker sells those calls, and as soon as the market maker sells those calls, he or she buys stock against it to hedge it to become delta neutral. So what that means is this has got a 51 delta. Let's say that this stock goes up by about, well, it's spiders. Let's say spiders goes up by, say, $1. Well, I'd make 50 cents on this, right? Now, if I want to just take a quick profit, I can close that and take my profit and make 25 cents or make 50 cents. I'd probably let it run a little bit further. Maybe if I let it run $2, I would make a little over $1 on that. Now that's not bad. That's about a 30% profit or so, right? So, okay. Now what about the market maker? Well, the market maker is just going to re-hedge. When the market goes up, because the market maker has short gamma, he or she is going to get shorter deltas. So they're just going to buy deltas to hedge that. And then they're going to wait it out. They're going to make 17 cents a day on theta. If 10 days pass, that's $1.70. That would put us all the way until expiration. So the person wouldn't have to wait that long. If they waited 6 days, that would put us at about $1 profit for the market maker too. And so guess what? It is possible for both the trader and the market maker to make money. Option trading is not a zero-sum game, and that is because market makers hedge with stock, and the stock is part of that option trade for the market maker. I love talking about this stuff. Give that a little bit of thoughts, and maybe I'll throw out a couple other musings over the next week or two. This is Dan Passarelli, Trade Smart.